Tech GH, we are going to continue our training. So now that we have this, I'll fill it. Now we want to find that is the average. So let me clear here. Okay. We don't need it again. Okay, where is it? Okay. So now we want to find average. So that is the average of this. So let me type the average here. So you want to find the average. You want to find the maximum. You want to find the minimum. No, okay. So now, then let's find the total. The total first. Let the total be okay. And then the average will be here. Okay. So now we want to find the total of this. We can find the total of everything, right? So let's find the first one here. So this one, we want to find the total. Let's use the function. So the function you type equal to, every formula begins with equal to. You can start with maybe this cell plus this cell plus this cell, no, this cell plus this cell plus this cell plus this cell, right? Enter. Then it will give you the total of that. Let me bold it. So it will give you the total. But assuming you are working with a large, that is data, you can't do this. So let's use the function formula. Equal to, if you look at the formula bar, is there. Equal to, then sum. You all know sum? Sum. So you highlight from the beginning to the last, or if you know their names, you can kill, that is E14 to E19. Then you close the brackets. Enter. It will sum it straight for you. Now let's see how we are going to find the maximum of this. In this particular numbers, we need to find the maximum number. So equal to, that is mass. That is mass. Then you highlight it again. Then you close it. You get a maximum value. The maximum value is 280. If you look at it, you see it. Okay. So the minimum value, let's see. That is equal to minimum. You see that min. Then you highlight it again. You close the brackets. When you see the formula bar, you see it there. Then good. And then the average equal to average. So that is average. Then you sum it again. You close the brackets. You get it. So it is the maximum, minimum, and average. Now we can also count it. Assuming you want to count. You want to count the numbers. You don't have the serial numbers here. But you want to count the numbers and see how many numbers or how many names or whatever, right? So we can count the names, we can count the numbers. So let's try and count the names first. So count, you use a certain function. The function is called count. So equal to count. So we have count and we have count and sum. So we are going to see the two of them. So the count, this one is the value 1. So we are going to count, that is from here up to here. Okay. Now, then you close the brackets. Has it take effect? No. There's something that we need to do. So the count, comma, if it is true, let's see. If it does take effect, then we need to move. Okay. Okay, let's see. The count here didn't work, but it must work. So let's go to this side and see. So equal to count. So count these values. Let's do this and see too. Now, have you seen? This one worked perfectly here. So this is the formula counts or that is what E14 to this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is that. And we also have count and sum. Let's see count and sum. Count and sum. Now, that one too, you start with what? The sum. So then you call the count function, right? So now you highlight this, then you close the bracket. Let's try and see the first bracket and the second bracket. That one too is what? Is 6. So we need to do count if we need to do something, comma true. Okay, we'll come and work on that. So we can count it and sum it as we did to this, but it means the total and this, the sum will be the same, right? Okay, so now let's focus on what? The count. Let's focus on the count. That one too is working, but let's focus on the count. Okay, so now we know the total, that is the total, minimum, maximum, average, and count. We also know how to select small numbers and add it together and this things. So as we are in step by step, you'll see you the other time from Rustic GH.